Many content creators struggle with staying consistent, especially keeping the same character across videos. But don't worry, you're in the right place. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button to unlock Pro Tools and unlimited videos like this.
Now, without wasting any more of your time, let's get started.
Alright, so you head over to your Flow Lab. So when you come over to your Flow Lab, then the first thing you're going to do, you're going to come to these settings right here. Make sure you're setting the output level to 1, and then you make sure you set it to Veo Beta. That is, you're setting this, so make sure it is this Veo Beta plus audio. Then the next thing I'm going to do, come over to ChatGPT, copy our first prompt. So when you copy the first prompt, then you're going to bring it down here, bring it to our Google Flow right here. You paste it down here. So when you paste it, then I'm going to submit for results. Alright, so let's submit this and then go back to our ChatGPT for our second scene. So I move over to my ChatGPT right here, and while we wait for our result to be done, let's go back to our ChatGPT right here. Alright, so when you come over here, you see from the first scene, you are going to cut this part, that is this create a hyper-realistic. Make sure you cut it to this part that is showing that describe the facial look of the character. So because if you are to copy every part, you might not get the best result. So just come over and click on create and stop at these glasses right here that is describing how the man looks like. So once you're done, you come over and paste it here. So when you paste it here, then you come to this second scene right here. When you come to the second scene, you come to the second scene, you will not copy the create apparatus anymore. You just come over to where the scene is starting. That is, you can see right here. Then you copy this and add it to this right here. So when you add it, then you are going to, let's add it and make sure that the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. So let's make that ready, 16:9. Alright, so immediately after setting it to 16:9, you copy this and cut it out of this place and take it to your Google Flow. Right, let's come to our Google Flow and paste it. Alright, so you can see our first scene is ready. Let's play it and see.
Many content creators struggle with staying consistent, especially keeping the same character across videos. Many content creators struggle with
Second scene, we copy, paste it right here, then we click on this. So you can see right here, you can see that my credit coin is I've exhausted for this month. And what will I do now? I'll be stranded because I still have more videos to do. So you can see I won't be able to generate more videos anymore. Now, how do I overcome this? Now, what I'm going to do is, if I click on this you can see that I'm left with just 10 credit, and 10 credit cannot do anything for me. So I'll come over and search for Google Vids. So I want to generate more videos. Google Vids. When you come over, you open the Google Vids, and let's wait for it to show us what we're going to do next. Then you open this first link right here. When you open this first link right here, it's going to tell you to sign in. So you sign into Vids. So immediately after signing in with Vids, you come over and select your email. Make sure it's the email you are using in the Google Flow. Then you come over and sign into Vids. So as you can see, let's come back. Alright, as we are waiting for it to load, so you can see the second result is also available right now. So let's see how it's done. Alright, so you can see our second video is also ready. So now you can see that I'm stuck right here. I can't continue generating more videos again. So come to our Google Vids. But before then, let's come and copy the third scene. So the same thing we did right here. You copy this and stop at these glasses right here. You copy it and come and paste it right here. So when you paste it right here, you are going to come over to the third scene here. Let's come over to the third scene right here and copy the part of the video that is from where now you can see now standing beside it. So we want to make sure that the scene is describing how the man looked like. for us to be consistent in character. So you come over, paste it, set this to 16 by 9. So if you're able to do it, all right. So let me copy all. So once I copy all, I'm going to bring it right to my, you can see I can't do anything right here because I've exhausted my credit already for the month. So let's come over to our Google Vids. All right, so the thing we are going to do right here is that now that we've exhausted our Google Vids, the only solution we're going to do, we don't want to, so you can come over and download it here. So when you click on this, you click on download original size. The same thing you do for this as well. So you do this and do that. All right, so and for that, if you want to add to scene, to join them together, you just click on add to scene, then it will take you to the scene builder. So you can see right here, this is the scene builder. When it takes you to the scene builder, you come back again and add the second scene also. So the second scene, when you add the second scene, everything will be joined to the scene builder. When everything is joined, you can download it straight to your device. All right, so now as you can see, you have the two scenes right here. So what's the next thing you're going to do? You're going to come over to this download button right here. You can see, right? So when you come over and click on, if you try to click on right click here, we are not seeing. So you come over and click on this download button right here, you will see it's exporting. Then in few seconds or few minutes, it's going to export totally. Then you click on download. So as you can see, our video has been downloaded to our device. So you are going to see it is going to appear in your download file. So you can see it right here. All right, so that's for Google Flow. Now if you exhaust so you just come over to your Google Vid. Let's continue right here and make sure you sign in with the email that you are using in your Google Flow. So when you sign in, I'm signing in already so that I can start creating my videos. So you can see our video. So let's dismiss this right here. So now I need to come back to Google Flow to come and copy all the prompts we used. Right, we need to copy the prompt. So you just click on this reuse right here, then you just copy everything and come to your Google Vids right here. So when you come to the Google Vids, it's going to show you the interface, the dashboard. So you come over here, cancel this, then you come over to this view right here, you click on it. When you click on it, let's bring this down, right? Then you now paste in your prompt right here. So make sure that the ratio is 16 by 9. Very important. So then you click on create. All right, so in just 1 minute our video will be ready. So it is ready. Then you just come over and
Many content creators struggle with staying consistent.
right, so you click on insert button right here. So once you click on the insert button, it's going to insert it to the scene builder right here. You can see it's as the same as the one from this. So you just click on edit prompt, then you go back to ChatGPT and copy the second one. You go back to your this, so you ensure that the scene is different from the first one. So copy, then you click on create right here. So wait in the next 1 minute. Make sure you click on this plus button before you insert the new scene, so that it's going to generate that for us. So let's come to our ChatGPT to generate the third scene right here. So don't forget how we are doing. You just come over and copy the first line that is describing the character, dressing and everything. Then you paste it right here. Then you come down and copy the remaining information about the third scene. So when you come over, let's come over and download now standing beside. So you copy it down, then you come over and paste the information, that is the details. So when you paste everything, you are going to see it right, and then we are going to let's paste it right here. So after pasting it, let's join everything together. Now I've joined everything together. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to copy everything. Let's copy everything and go back to our Google Vids right here. So then you see our video is still generating. Let's hold on for it. All right, so it's successfully done. So you click on then you click on insert. So when you click on insert, it's going to be added to the scene builder. So you can see right here, it's going to be added to the scene builder. So once you're done, you click on edit prompt, then you paste in the last prompt that you just copied. So let's paste it and make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9. It's very, very important. Then you click on create. So once the video is generated completely, make sure you click on this plus button before you insert the video. So this video, let's wait for it to load completely, to generate completely. So you can see our video is ready. Right, you can see that is how it's been done. So all you do is just click on insert button right here. So when you click on the insert button, then it's going to be added to our scene builder. So you can see we have complete consistent video. You can look at the characters, all of them, they are wearing the same glass. So just come over to this file right here and click on download as mp4. So you wait for it to load in few seconds. Once it is done, you'll see that your video will be downloaded directly to your device. It's as simple as that. This is beautiful. So you have to watch this video carefully so that you don't make any mistake. Alright, you can see it right here. It's available in your device now.
Thanks for watching all the way through. If you have enjoyed this content, consider subscribing, and your support encourages me to keep sharing helpful insights like this.